Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'd like to reintroduce one of the coolest ways to store your crypto, the Tangem Ring. It's sleek, secure, and it hides your Bitcoin right in plain sight. Getting started is super simple. All you have to do is download the Tangem app and tap your ring to the back of your phone, and you're ready to set up your wallet in seconds. I'll show you how to get it set up, and then I'll show you how to fund your Ring wallet with some Bitcoin. All you have to do is generate a Bitcoin address using your Tangem app, send some Bitcoin, and then watch it appear right in your Ring wallet. That's it. No complicated setup, no clunky hardware. And here's the best part. Right now, there's a limited time deal with the Tangem Ring through October 19th. You'll get a $5 Bitcoin rebate and an exclusive CryptoDad discount of 25% off the initial price of the ring. That's 10% for the CryptoDad checkout code and an additional 15% for the 15 ring off checkout code. I'm going to provide a link down in the description that combines both of those checkout codes automatically, so all you have to do is click and save. All right, so the first thing we'll do is go over to the App Store and search for Tangem. All right. And there's the Tangem app there. You'll see their logo. I already have it, so I'll just open it. You'll download it, of course. I've already got some wallets set up here, so I'm just going to tap the three dots and then choose Add New Wallet. And then we're ready to go. Got some paper here, so the rings will show up on my black table. So we'll scan the ring first, and then we'll generate the wallet. We'll scan the ring again. All right, and now we need to create our backup devices. I've got my two backup cards here, and I like to label them so I don't get them confused with my other Tangem cards. You want to make sure that you store these safely and securely, and best practice would be to store them in separate locations. One of them should probably be off-site at a trusted friend or relative's home, or somewhere like a safety deposit box at your bank. So we'll start by adding the devices. We'll just click Add Card or Ring, and then we'll pick up one and hold it to the back of the phone. All right, and then we'll add the second one, and then we're done. We'll hit Finalize Backup. Now we need to create an access code. This is very important. This will protect your Tangem Ring and backup cards from unauthorized access. So if someone were to get your hands on your ring or your backup cards, they would not be able to access the cryptocurrency. So choose a backup code that's complicated enough that no one will guess it, but simple enough that you won't forget it and it will be easy for you to access. So I'll hit Create here. And then create your backup code. You can use letters or numbers in this. All right, and you'll need to confirm that. Now you'll need to scan the ring to imprint the backup code. So we'll hit Scan Ring, hold it to the back of your phone, and you'll need to hold this through the countdown, all the way down to 0. All right, and then you'll need to do your two backups. So scan the first card that you created, hold it down all the way till when it gets to 0. All right, and then you'll be asked to scan that second backup card that you created. All right, so now you've got the wallet created. They've got some cryptocurrencies here that are already enabled for you, Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can add more if you want to later. We'll go ahead and open the wallet. And now I just want to quickly fund the Bitcoin wallet to show you how easy it is. We'll just tap Bitcoin. We'll hit Receive. And then we'll just copy the address into our clipboard. I'll go over to my Kraken account. All right, I want to do a transfer of some Bitcoin that I've got in the wallet already. So I'll just tap here on the Bitcoin. I'll choose Bitcoin. And I want to add a withdrawal address. This is the first time I've ever used this withdrawal address. So I'll tap Add Withdrawal Address. I'll paste in that address that I got from my Tangem wallet, and then I'll give it a nickname so I'll remember where it's going. All right, so we'll add that withdrawal address. I'll just need to confirm it in my email real quick. All right, so I'll confirm that in my email. And now I can go back into the app, and I'll just go ahead and send it over to my Tangem Ring. I'm just going to send the available balance. It's not that much. You should always do small test transfers before you send large amounts. We'll go ahead and continue here. I'll be sending this Bitcoin to my Tangem Ring. I'll hit confirm. And there we go. And all I need to do now is check my Tangem app and wait for the Bitcoin to come in. All right, and you can see that the Bitcoin has arrived safely in my wallet, and that's how quick and easy it is to set up a Tangem Ring and fund some Bitcoin. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.